To remove the SSD bracket, first remove the hinge cover, the stand, the speaker cover, and partially separate the rear cover and LCD panel assemblies. Detach the two Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the SSD bracket to the motherboard. Pull the bracket out of the unit. To replace the SSD bracket, align the screw holes of the bracket over the holes on the motherboard lightly. When correctly aligned, press the center of the bracket firmly onto the thermal pad on top of the M.2 SSD module. Secure the bracket to the motherboard with its two Phillips No. 2 screws.